And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 83. Let me show you how you can change the stroke of a text element. So by default, you might only see a fill. That's the general fill color. But when you hold Shift and click on a color swatch, you're gonna get a stroke. And you can see that at the bottom left. In this case, the stroke is actually so big that it overblends the fill. So that's, I would say, a common issue. Let me show you how you can deal with it. We go to Object, Fill and Stroke, and under Fill, we can change the color, but we can't really see it because the stroke paint right here, the stroke color, is overblending. And you can also use the color wheel for the stroke. And it's simply overblending because it's too big. You can adjust that under stroke style. The width, that's what you have to adjust. If I go down to 1, you can see now the fill and the stroke in this example. Percentage, you can use that once and it's going to switch back to the prior unit. So it's always a percentage value of that. But for example, pixels, you can set it and then it's going to stay to pixels. So in general, the stroke option here works the same for text elements as it does, for example, for a rectangle. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.